welcome back to Almost Outdoors. This real quick video update on my Toyota Tundra. I have a issue with it right now. My maintenance required light's on, so I'm going to go over that here real quick, but I'm going to show you what I did to my Tundra. I actually got a leaf spring added to it. It was riding a little soft with hauling my camper, and these things haul about 10,500 pounds. That's the maximum on them, and they got, you know, 5.7 liter engine, but there's enough hind end under the hood to pull the thing. But it's a really big camper, as you can see. Pretty good size. Thing's about 8,300 pounds dry. So with all the crap that my wife puts in there, I think I'm looking at maybe, I don't know, 95 to 10, you know, 9,000 to about 10,000 pounds almost. So the old girl pulls it pretty good. So usually when I go over bumps, it has a lot of slop in the rear end of it. So I was thinking I can either add airbags to it, or I could put a extra leaf spring under there. So I went ahead and opted out for the cheaper of the two, and I got a leaf spring added to the bottom of it. It's about an inch thick leaf spring. It's on the very bottom, and it stiffened up the rear end really nice. So it pulls really good, and it got rid of that slop in the rear end. You know, when you're going down the road and you hit a bump and it kind of gets a little sway with it, it kind of helped out with that. And especially when you go over the bridges, you don't get all that shaking in the rear, and which could kind of throw your front end off. Anyway, so it got rid of all that slop. I'll show you the spring real quick. If I can crawl under here and take a look at her. It's that bottom one right here. Right there. This one right there. So she's a pretty big one under there. Yeah. Got that added to it. It does actually very good. So it does really good, and it actually wasn't that much. It was only about, it actually does pretty good. It was only about I think it was 200 bucks, I think, or something like that. So it was a lot cheaper than getting airbags on there. I mean, it rides like a tank in the rear, but the thing's a truck, you know what I mean? I don't need the thing, you know, worried about the gas mileage and have to worry about, ooh, is it gonna ride smooth enough? It's a darn truck. Drive the thing, make it ride like a tank, you know, and it'd haul a heavy load. So essentially, that gave me a lot more weight capacity in the bed. But still, your engine still got to pull it. So I still wouldn't pull over the maximum, but it doesn't squat. I got 41 inches from ground to the top of the fender here, fender well, and I got 41 inches to the back here from the ground. So it leveled it out. Didn't have that Tundra tilt to it where it was kind of tilting in the rear end. It evened everything up, and actually when the camper's on there, it does really nice with it. It doesn't squat down hardly at all, and going over bumps, like I said, it got rid of that slop. The other thing I'm looking at here, my maintenance required light's on. So let me set you down here. It's hot. So if any of you ever had a oil change or something that the guy never changed your never reset your trip, it's about 90 degrees out and I'm in this hot car. If I die, someone, you know, somebody please come find me or whatever. Anyway, so what you want to do is, I'll show you what that looks like right now that I have it on. Turn the darn air off. Holy cow. Alright, so as you can see, the maintenance required light is on. So what you're going to do is, alright, that's enough music too. You're going to take your tripometer button right here, and you're going to press it till you get to trip A. See how it went to trip A? Once you do that, you're going to turn it off, all the way off. Then you're just going to click the key to position 2 while holding this tripometer. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. So I'm going to press and hold this button. I'm going to turn my key to position 2. And see, it's resetting maintenance data. And that's it. That's how you reset the tripometer. Let me get my camera. My camera's stuck. That's how you reset the tripometer on your Toyotas. It'll work for a Sequoia as well. It's hot as the dickens in here. Anyway, that's pretty much how you do it. And then we'll turn it back on. We'll turn the key back on to make sure that it is gone, which I know it will be, because I'm pretty much a Toyota guy. You know, putting leaf springs on, hauling heavy loads, getting crappy gas mileage. That's what trucking life is all about. Alright, and it did disappear, so that's good. I love my Tundra. For those of you who have a Tundra and love your Tundra, give me a thumbs up at the bottom. What other kind of Toyota videos you want me to do? I got to head in here. I got stuff to do today. I figured I'd throw a little short video at you there. So overall, got me a new leaf spring added on the truck for hauling a heavier load. And I just reset my maintenance required light. You know, good. You know what? Getting stuff done. Hey, thank y'all for watching this episode of Almost Outdoors. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and drive out Toyota like you stole it. Getting stuff done. Peace!